Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. Many of you already know that I've done Titan videos in the past, and many of you probably already share that information without even knowing about it. New hoses, fishtail attachments, dust attachments, how to make it into a wet vac, all these things featured on this channel. Many of you also know that there are varieties of the Titan vac. So this is the one probably most people are familiar with. This is the 1300 watt version. This is the 1400 watt version, and this is the one I always say to use to people for car detailing. This is my DIY vac. What many people don't realise though, because they don't have one of each, is that the accessory that comes with them is different. So we're all in agreement that the fishtail wand is probably the best accessory to buy, followed closely by upgrading the cheap plastic hose with a nice solid extendable silver hose. However, if you buy this machine, you get a straight angled attachment like this, but if you buy this machine, you actually get an angled attachment, which is much better ergonomically for working in the car. Not a lot of people know that they come with different ones. However, today we have got a fix for that. So depending on the model you buy, you may or may not also have to upgrade the hose anyway. If you buy the cheaper one, like me here, this is a ribbed hose. And if you look at the other one that I have replaced, this one is a spiral hose. So there's a piece of metal in this that keeps spiraling round and round and round one continuous piece. They're still prone to splitting. These are even worse, but these are ribbed. So there is a reason that you need the spiral one. So what you may have to do is already go out and buy a replacement spiral hose, a better hose. I recommend you do that anyway. But for this, you will need a spiral hose. Now, this here, it's a little bit rubbish. It's not very ergonomic if you're attaching things to that. It's a little bit cumbersome on the wrist. So we can get rid of all of that. If you then go and get a replacement hose, a spiral one, this is what we have. Now this is a complete replacement handle, much more ergonomic. It's angled like the other one, and it just works a hell of a lot better. So to fit that, it comes in 3 pieces. It isn't just push on like all the other stuff. So you get a collar, which goes on, and then this white piece, which spins on to the spiral, which is why you need a spiral hose. You then put that in there, and you clip the whole assembly together. And that is it. Brilliant, eh? These, I think they're less than £8 delivered. Can't really complain. Another great accessory for a Titan. This was recommended to me by one of my subscribers, and I looked into it after he asked the question, and you know what? I've owned both of these hoovers for a little while. Vacuums, should I say? Don't say hoovers again, Dave. Police will be out. And then basically I didn't even realise it myself. I was using one for DIY, this one, and to be fair, I had it on a really long nozzle crevice tool, and I didn't really notice it. But coming into the car, I think this is much more ergonomic for people. So if you want one of these, the link's in the description of the video below. Go and check it out. I don't think they'll last very long. I have noticed the last couple of weeks they keep getting out of stock very quickly, so go and grab one. The link is an affiliate link, by the way, so it will earn the channel a little bit of cash. Pennies we're talking, and it won't cost you any more, so please go and check out that link if you want one of these. So guys, that brings us to the end of another Titan video, how to get rid of another piece of plastic junk that the Titan comes with and replace it with something nice, solid, a lot more ergonomic really. That's the reason why we're changing this. A special mention to Elliot Brockett, who actually put me onto this in the first place. Well done, lad. Your research really has gone into finding another nice accessory for the Titan vac, so well done to Elliot. As always, guys, the Titan videos have done really well, so like, share and comment on this one, please, where you feel that people might benefit from one of these. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on next week's video. Goodbye.